So let's talk about your intelligent automation journey. What are the aspects that I've spoken about that have really resonated with you? First and foremost, in your IA journey, we start with the foundation layer, business process management. This is made up of, as we said before, process mining, process discovery, process optimization, and process reengineering. I want you to go into your business and make sure that you have all your financial processes accurately documented so that you are first and foremost compliant, and so that you can start thinking about your automation journey. Only when you have all this properly mapped out can you actually identify opportunities for automation, and then we can start talking about artificial intelligence. Please, I implore you to look at this in your business. Next, we talk about that sexy thing called RPA, robotic process automation. This is when we can start applying automation. But again, we can only apply this once your processes have been properly identified and properly mapped out and re-engineered and optimized. Otherwise, you just have a lot of processes that are happening very quickly. As we said, when we start talking about RPA, in our experience with all the organizations that we have dealt with, the financial space is the first people that we talk to in any organization. Specific processes I want you to think of is your procure to pay process, your accounts receivable and accounts payable. Think about that video I showed you earlier. General accounting, documenting everything, tax, treasury, and compliance. I want you to think about third-party systems that you interact with. Think about SaaS. How do you interact with SaaS? Can that not be automated? Financial planning, analysis, and reporting. What are those reports that you are painstakingly spending hours compiling? Why can't a bot do that? Audit management. Think about your auditing. Think about the amount and vast amounts of data that you have to sift through to get your answers. Can parts of that not be automated? Once you've gone through this journey and identified specific processes you can automate, now we can start thinking about logic. We can start thinking about those vast amounts of information and data and how we can do things with that information to provide more real-time information for you. And that's when we leap ahead. That's when we start talking about artificial intelligence, specifically machine learning, NLP, natural language processing, and computer vision. Where we found AI to help organizations is in transaction classification, exception identification, risk modeling, data modeling. Think about all that data that you have to sift through. Again, we talk about data structures. If you make sure that is correct, how can you now use machine learning to get the most out of that data? Valuable information that can help you with your decision making. Chatbots and customer-facing queries. Again, you can use chatbots that are talking to your customers directly, that are plugged into your back-end systems to extract information that is relevant to that client in real time without you even being involved. Think about how happy your customers will be with getting that type of information in real time. Thank you for your time, and thank you for spending time with me and running through how intelligent automation can help financial professionals on their journey.